Hi, this is Katie, your TAC coordinator. I'm going to give you a quick rundown or a tour of the home screen and what some of these icons stand for and where you can find stuff. So up here at the top, you'll see a menu bar. Many of the items or actions that you can do in the top menu bar there, you can also do with these icons found in the middle of the page. Okay. For example, attendance, you can take attendance here, but you can also take attendance in this middle column with these quick icons. The icons aren't currently there because can't take attendance today. But normally what you'll find here is a white piece of paper or an empty chair, okay? Both of those are ways that you can take attendance, matching up here at the top, okay? Grade book. Here you can copy assignments, enter, and also set up assignments and grades. Here you can do your progress reports and report card grades. Okay, and those are the same things that you can do in these icons over here. This black notebook is where you can enter grades. The green pieces of paper here, these are for progress report grades. And the A+, this is for your report card grades. Okay. And then classroom management, this is where you can email, you can get rosters and a seating chart for your students. You can also access some of these items by clicking on your class schedule over here on the side. Okay. Right here where you see view, you have several options when you click on this. You have my classes, today's attendance, and RC, which stands for report card run 1 through 6. Okay. This is helpful if you need to go back and enter grades. So once we've moved on to the second marking period, if you need to go back and look at grades in the first marking period, you would need to click on the view here. Okay. All right. Over here, you're going to see the class periods. My classes haven't currently all been input in. I know the counselors are working hard on those right now. So you kind of just see a little bit of a sample here. But these are all rosters entered into my classes. Some of you, when you look at your screen, you may or may not have one or more class sections listed under each of the numbers or each of the class periods. So for 7th period, I have 3 rosters here. Okay. 6th period, I obviously have a lot more, and then 3rd period, I have 4. So it just kind of depends on how everything is set up, and it's going to be different for each person. Okay, so if you want to see the kids that are in your class, you are going to click on the very first section there listed under the class period. So I clicked on the first section of my 7th period, okay, and up here, you're going to see the M and the S. The M is multiple, so it's showing all of those rosters or all of those sections combined together. If you click on single, it's only going to show you the 2 kids that were listed under that very first section that I clicked on. So I like to work in multiple so that I can see all the kids that are in the class period at the same time. So this is my softball class. Right now, there's only 7 kids in there. Hopefully, we'll get a couple more. But you can click your MS to see multiple or just a couple kids in the section. Okay. If you want to change or toggle back and forth between the class periods, you can click on change, and here I can go from 7th period, I can go back up to 3rd period, and I can click on these different sections to view the different rosters. All right. Okay, so when I'm looking here at my class of kids, I can go through, and if I want to repopulate by grade, I can click on grade. If I want it to be alphabetical, I can click over here and it'll reorganize it alphabetically. Just depends on what you're looking at. Okay, the A's and M's, if you click on these, it'll show you the kids' academic alerts and medical alerts. You can click on each of those and it'll give you more information about your student.